Alanis and welcome back to Art with Alanis. This week we're going to make some awesome leaf artwork. But to do this, we need to grab some leaves from outside. For this, I have given you guys some cardstock paper. Once you've collected your leaves, what you're going to do is you're going to find out where you want to place your leaves. And once you figure that out, you're going to make sure that the leaf is on the veiny side or the back of it. And you're going to place it underneath your paper. Now you're going to take a crayon or a colored pencil and you're going to, make sure you remember where you placed it also. You're going to take your crayon or your colored pencil and you're going to rub right around where the leaf is. And then you can keep adding more leaves. It's best to do different types. If you want it hanging on the corner, place it like that. I'm doing the black because I'm going to add watercolor to it, to add color. It's also important to remember to keep your leaf in the same place because if it moves, it will look shifted and weird. Now I'm going to add watercolor to the leaves. Now if you're going to use crayon and you're going to mix it with watercolor, please be mindful that some areas with so much crayon, the watercolor won't absorb. And now you have a beautiful fall leaf collage. Now you too can also make unbelievable artwork. Make sure when you're choosing your leaves that they're not dead leaves. Make sure that they're green and not crumpled up. And also, if you have some fake leaves lying around, you can use those as well. Until next time, stay creative.